Have you ever dreamed of building something real and lasting, something that stands the test of time and grows with you? Imagine creating a legacy, not just for yourself, but for your family and future generations. Starting a rental property business is your chance to do just that. It's more than just owning a house, it's about building a foundation for long-term wealth and stability. The process is simple at its core. You buy a place, let someone live there, and they pay you rent each month. But behind that simplicity is a powerful way to grow your finances. That rent can help cover your mortgage, your bills, and even start to build up your savings. Over time, those monthly payments can add up to a real financial cushion. The best part? It's passive income. Money you earn even while you sleep, freeing up your time for the things you love. Imagine waking up each morning knowing your investments are working for you. And there's more. Over time, your property usually grows in value, so you're earning in two ways. From rent, and from appreciation. It's like planting a tree that keeps giving back year after year. Start with one property, and soon you could own several, each bringing in steady income. With each new house, your rental empire grows, and so does your financial security. Of course, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes patience, effort, and a willingness to learn. You'll face challenges, repairs, paperwork, and the occasional tough decision. But the rewards are real. Financial security, freedom, and the pride of building something yourself. You'll see your hard work pay off, not just in money, but in peace of mind. You're in control, building your own future, one brick at a time. Every decision you make shapes your path and your success. It's a journey that lets you be the boss and the builder. You set the pace, you choose the direction, and you reap the rewards. You create something lasting, something that can support you for years to come. Your properties become more than investments, they become part of your story. Why start? For the chance at freedom from money worries, and the opportunity to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. For more time with family, hobbies, or just enjoying life on your own terms. Rental income can open doors to experiences you've always wanted. It's a grand adventure, one that starts with a single, smart decision. Every empire, big or small, begins with that first step. Take the first step, and you could build your own little empire. One that grows with you and supports your dreams. So, are you ready to see how it's done? Let's explore the world of rental property and discover how you can start your own journey today. Before you buy, let's check your toolkit. Think of this as your personal set of skills and resources that will help you on your property journey. You don't need to have every tool in the box, but knowing what you have, and what you might need to learn, will make things much easier. You don't need to be a genius, but a few key skills and the right attitude can make a big difference. It's about being open to learning and willing to give things a go, even if you're not sure at first. First, have some gumption, courage and common sense. This means being brave enough to make decisions, ask questions, and keep going even when things get tricky. Sometimes just having the confidence to try is half the battle. Be willing to take a leap and talk to people, agents, builders, tenants, and even other property owners. Building relationships and asking for advice can open doors and help you avoid common mistakes. Being friendly and fair makes everything smoother. People are more likely to help you, work with you, and trust you if you treat them well. Good communication is a tool you'll use every day. You'll need basic math skills to check if a property will make money. Don't worry, you don't need to be a maths whiz, just comfortable with adding, subtracting, and a bit of simple budgeting. Add up the rent, subtract costs like mortgage and repairs. If it works, great. If not, you'll know before you make a costly mistake. It's all about making sure the numbers add up in your favor. Keep a notebook or spreadsheet to track your numbers. Staying organized with your finances helps you spot trends, plan ahead, and avoid surprises down the line. Practical skills like fixing a tap or painting save money, but you can always hire help if you need it. Even knowing when to call in a professional is a valuable skill. Organization is key. Keep paperwork tidy like tenancy agreements, safety certificates, and receipts. A well-organized system saves time and stress, especially at tax time or if you need to find something quickly. Most important, you'll need savings for a deposit and extra costs like legal fees, surveys, and insurance. Having a financial cushion gives you peace of mind and flexibility. Start saving now, every penny counts. Even small amounts add up over time, and building good saving habits will help you in the long run. It might seem like a lot, but with the right tools and attitude, you can do it. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and you'll pick up new skills as you go. Gather your skills, get organized, and you're ready for the next step. Preparation now means fewer surprises later. Don't worry if you're not an expert. Just be prepared to learn. Curiosity and a willingness to improve are some of the best tools you can have. A good plan and a bit of effort go a long way. Set clear goals, break tasks into steps, and celebrate your progress. Stay focused, and you'll build your foundation for success. Every skill you develop and every bit of effort you put in brings you closer to your goal. Let's go find your first property. Ready? With your toolkit in hand, you're set to take the next big step on your property journey. Time for the treasure hunt. Finding your first property. This is a big step, and it's both exciting and a little daunting, but with the right approach, you'll soon spot a place that feels just right for you. Start by picking an area where people want to live. Think about good schools, reliable transport links, and plenty of shops or cafes nearby. These things make a neighborhood popular and your investment safer. Walk the neighborhood, get a feel for it. Notice the vibe, the noise, and how well the area is looked after. Are there parks, friendly faces, or local events? These details matter. Search online or visit local estate agents. Tell them what you want. The more specific you are, the better they can help you. Set up alerts for new listings so you don't miss out. A 2-bedroom flat or small house is a smart start. These are easier to manage and often appeal to first-time buyers or renters. Avoid big fixer-uppers for now. Look for something solid and simple. You want a place that's ready to move into, not a project that could drain your time and budget. When viewing, check for damp, cracks, and working utilities. Don't be afraid to look closely. These details can save you from costly surprises later. Ask questions. When was the boiler last serviced? How old is the roof? Are there any recent repairs or issues you should know about? How old are the windows? Double glazing can save you money on bills and keep things cozy. Bring a friend for a second opinion. They might spot things you miss or help you see the bigger picture. View properties more than once before deciding. Visit at different times of day to see how the light, noise, and traffic change. Once you spot a good deal, make an offer through the agent. Don't be afraid to negotiate, but know your limits. There may be some negotiation, but stay calm and stick to your budget. Remember, there will always be another opportunity if this one doesn't work out. If your offer's accepted, you're on your way. Celebrate this milestone, you've earned it. The right property is out there. Be patient and thorough. Don't rush. The best choices come to those who wait and do their homework. Trust your research and instincts. If something feels off, it's okay to walk away and keep looking. Every viewing teaches you something new. Each step brings you closer to understanding what you really want and need. Soon you'll find your first gem. Stay curious, stay positive, and enjoy the journey. Let's talk about the money, because being prepared financially is just as important as finding the right place. Found your property? Now how do you pay for it? Most use a buy-to-let mortgage, a special loan for rental properties. You'll need a bigger deposit than for a regular home, usually about 25%. The bank checks that your expected rent covers the mortgage. A mortgage advisor can help you find the best deal and handle paperwork. Besides the deposit, budget for legal fees, surveys, and stamp duty. A solicitor handles the official paperwork. This is called conveyancing. Surveys check for property problems before you buy. Always have extra savings for these costs. Being prepared makes the process smoother and less stressful. Get your finances in order before you commit. The right advice saves you money and headaches. With the money sorted, you're ready to become a landlord. Let's see what that means. Congratulations, you're a landlord. It's more than collecting rent. You're providing someone's home. Happy tenants stay longer and care for your property. Get the place ready, clean, safe, and welcoming. Paint, clean carpets, check everything works. Legally, you need gas safety certificates, smoke alarms, and sometimes carbon monoxide detectors. These aren't optional. They're the law. Find tenants by advertising or using a letting agent. Good agents vet tenants and handle paperwork. Always check references and affordability. Use a tenancy agreement to set out rules and responsibilities. Protect the tenant's deposit in a government-approved scheme. Build trust and respect. It pays off. Being a good landlord is about responsibility and relationships. Treat tenants well and your business will thrive. Ready to keep your tenants happy? Your job now is to keep things running smoothly. Good communication is key. Respond quickly to problems. Even if you can't fix it right away, let tenants know you're on it. Do regular inspections, but always give proper notice. Use these visits to spot issues early and check in with tenants. Be fair with rent. Small, reasonable increases keep good tenants. Long-term tenants mean steady income and less hassle. Respect their privacy. It's their home, even if you own it. Don't interfere unless necessary. Balance involvement, manage well but don't be a nuisance. Happy tenants mean fewer problems and a smoother business. Get this right, and you'll have loyal tenants and peace of mind. It's all about respect and reliability. Ready to avoid common mistakes? Every adventure has pitfalls. Here's how to dodge them. Don't underestimate costs, repairs, insurance, agent fees, and empty periods add up. Always keep a rainy day fund. Avoid buying properties that need major work. Renovations cost more than you think. Research locations. Cheap isn't a bargain if no one wants to rent there. Screen tenants. Carefully check references and credit. Bad tenants can cause big problems and are hard to evict. Don't try to do everything yourself. Hire professionals for legal and technical jobs. Cutting corners can cost more in the long run. Pay for good advice and qualified tradespeople. Do things properly from the start. Learn from others' mistakes, not your own. Preparation and caution save you time, money, and stress. Stay smart and your rental business will flourish. Ready for some top tips? Here are top tips for rental success. Treat it like a real business. Keep detailed records of income and expenses. This makes taxes easier and shows if you're making a profit. Build a team. Find reliable tradespeople before you need them. Recommendations from other landlords are gold. Always keep learning. Laws and markets change. Read, join forums, and talk to other landlords. The more you know, the better your decisions. Be patient. Property is a long-term game. There will be ups and downs, but stay focused on your goals. Don't panic over setbacks. Persistence pays off. If you've done your homework, things will work out. Patience and knowledge are your best tools. Keep improving, and your rental empire will grow. Stay organized, stay curious, and stay positive. Success comes to those who stick with it. Ready for your smashing start? That's your guide to starting a rental property business. Break it into steps, and it's manageable. Start with a good idea and the courage to try. Save your deposit, find the right property, and do your homework. Treat tenants well and keep learning. Don't fear mistakes. Learn and move forward. Avoid common pitfalls, and you're already ahead. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient. You're building something real and lasting. Take the first step. Start saving, researching, and dreaming. With planning and a positive attitude, you'll succeed. Good luck on your grand adventure. Your rental empire awaits.